Your angels are telling you that great success takes time to achieve. You must learn to schedule time for achieving your goals. To move forward, you need motivation and devotion. Aside from those close to you who have faith in you, you must be your own biggest supporter. Never be concerned about people plotting to harm you because God is aware of them. Anyone who harbors ill towards someone else will receive that person's energy back. You must take a step back and, at the very least, do something to keep your mind occupied if you occasionally feel anxious or depressed. Watching or even listening to songs about love and positivity is a great idea. You may also occasionally receive messages from music, and the universe is expressing itself to you in that way. Knowing that God is aware of everyone's intentions toward you, the universe is urging you to maintain your inner calm. Never again will He allow you to go through the same difficulties that you did in your earlier years. Get in the habit of appreciating and enjoying the lessons you can find around you. Allow yourself some time to be grateful for everything you have, including your family, friends, pets, and loved ones. When we feel as though we are lacking something, we must remember these people. Give God your undivided gratitude every day. Countless miracles are part of how we live.